Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am solving this Math Olympiad problem without using calculator. So let's find out the solution. So as our problem is 5 power 11, 5 power 11 that is equals to minus 3 square. So if I'm wrote 5 power 11 is 10 plus 1, I'm wrote here 10 plus 1 minus 3 to power 3 into power further move 3 into 3 here. So this means the value is if we have same base and power will be added, this means we separated out their power and with the same base. So our solution will be 5 to the power of 10 into 5 to the power of 1 minus 9. So 5 minus 9, that if we wrote 5 to the power of 10 into 5 to the power of 1 minus 9 is I'm trying to wrote minus 5 and minus 4, that is equals to minus 9. So now now I saw here 5 and here also 5, so I'm trying to these to turn common 5 common here, so result is 5 to the power of 10 minus 1 minus 4. So I'm wrote 5 to the power of 10 is 5 into 2 is 10, so minus 1 minus 4. So if power is multiply here, so we have one power will be whole. So I'm take here to apply this formula, 5 here into 5 to the power of 5 whole square, and this is 1 is equals to 1 square, 1 that is equals to 1 square, so I'm wrote here 1 square minus 4. This is the formula of a square minus b square, that will be equal to a minus b into a plus b into a minus b. So I'm wrote here the result is 5 here and 5 to the power of 5 plus 1 into 5 to the power of 5 minus 1 minus 4. So this means that 5 here, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5, that is 3125 plus 1 and 3125 minus 1 minus 4 here. So if I'm further solve, the equation will be plus 1 is 3126 and minus here 3124 minus 4 here. So if I'm further solve here, 5 into 3100 plus 26 and 3100 plus 24 minus 4 here. So if I'm further solve the equation, the formula is 5 into 3100, 31 into 100 is 3100 plus 26, and this term is also 31 into 100 is 3100 plus 24 minus 4 here. So I'm now further solve. Now let 100 that is equals to a, so I'm place 100 here. The equation will be 5 into 31a plus 26, 31a plus 24 minus 4 here. So I multiply this to turn 5 into 31a into 31a plus 24 here plus 26, second term here multiply here 26 here 31a plus 24 bracket close minus 4 here. So if I'm further solve this equation will be 5 into 31 into 31, that is equals to 961a plus 31 into 24 is 744a plus 26 into 31 is 806a plus 26 into 24 is 624 minus 4. So that is equals to 5 into 96 a square here, because a also multiply a square here, and 961 a square plus, if I'm wrote this term into further solve, this is addition term, and this term is 1550 plus 624 minus 4. So I'm further solve the equation will be, if I multiply here 5, the equation is inside multiply 5 is 4805 a square plus 1550 is 750 a plus 624 is 3120, and this term is minus 4 here. So I am further solve this equation. 4805 plus 7750a, and this is addition term, so this is 3116. Now I'm recall a that is equals to 100. So now put the value of a here. So equation will be 4805 into 100 square plus 750 into 100 plus 3116. So if I'm further solve this equation, this is the 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 4850 is 4000. This is 4805 and 0000 plus this time 7750 00 plus 3116 here. So if I'm further solve, and this final addition here, and our result is 48,828,116 is the final answer. So thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.